Imagine a city where golden stupas rise beneath the sky, where every street corner tells a story, and the river whispers tales of ancient times. Welcome to Vientiane, a city that quietly charms everyone who walks its peaceful streets. We're here to uncover its secrets with you. From mystical parks filled with Buddha statues, to markets brimming with vibrant life. Join us as we discover the top 10 must-visit spots in this captivating capital of Laos. Ready to explore a place unlike any other? Let's dive into the heart of Vientiane and see what unforgettable adventures await us. Stick around, because you don't want to miss any part of this incredible journey through a city that's as soulful as it is beautiful. This is Vientiane like you've never seen before. 1. That Luang Stupa. That Luang Stupa, a symbol of both the Buddhist religion and Lao sovereignty. It's covered in gold and can be seen shining from miles away during the day. Locals say visiting at full moon brings luck. Don't miss the annual festival held here in November. It's a spectacle of lights, music, and devotion. 2. Patuxai Victory Monument. Next is Patuxai, the gateway to the city's heart. Built to commemorate independence from French colonial rule, this monument combines traditional Laotian design with remnants of French architecture. Climb to the observation deck at the top for a small fee, and you'll be rewarded with a stunning view of Vientiane. 3. Buddha Park, also known as Vientiane. Just a short drive from the city center lies a surreal landscape filled with over 200 Hindu and Buddhist statues. Each statue tells a story. The giant reclining Buddha represents the entry to nirvana. Walking through this park feels like stepping into another realm. 4. Mekong Riverside. As the sun sets, the Mekong Riverside comes alive. Locals gather here to enjoy the cool breeze, exercise, or simply unwind at the end of the day. Join in a game of sepak takraw, or sample some barbecue from a street vendor for the full experience. 5. Reclining Buddha at That Luang. Next, make sure to visit the reclining Buddha at That Luang, a beacon of spirituality and beauty. This impressive statue is not just a significant religious symbol but also a masterpiece of Lao artistry. Located within the grounds of the country's most cherished national monument, this reclining Buddha offers a peaceful retreat and a perfect opportunity for reflection and photography. Its golden hue shines brilliantly, especially during the early morning or late afternoon sun, creating a serene and almost otherworldly atmosphere. 6. Wat Si Saket. Wat Si Saket is not just the oldest temple in Vientiane but also a treasure trove of history and art. Its cloisters house thousands of Buddha statues, each with a unique expression. Visit early in the morning to witness the monks chanting, a truly serene start to your day. 7. Talat Sao Morning Market. Talat Sao, the morning market, is a must-visit. You'll find an intriguing array of goods from textiles to teas and electronics to exquisite handmade crafts. And for the daring, there's something you might not find anywhere else: cobra whiskey. Yes, you heard that right. Bottles containing real cobras, which are believed to impart health and strength to those who drink it. Just browsing through this vibrant market offers a taste of the local life and the unique products that make Laos so fascinating. 8. Presidential Palace. Although not open to the public, its stunning architecture and the regal setting are worth admiring from the outside. Built in the early 20th century during the French colonial era, the palace is a marvelous example of Beaux-Arts architecture and serves as the official residence of the President of Laos. The building is particularly enchanting at night when it's beautifully lit up, offering a perfect backdrop for a peaceful evening walk. 9. Attend the unique Alms-giving ceremony, Takbat. A truly unforgettable and humbling experience in Vientiane is attending the Alms-giving ceremony, locally known as Takbat. This daily morning ritual sees rows of monks in vibrant saffron robes silently walking through the streets as locals and respectful tourists offer them food and donations. It's a profound cultural tradition that provides a deeper understanding of the spiritual dedication in Laos. If you plan to participate or observe, remember to do so respectfully, dress modestly, maintain a quiet demeanor, and if taking photos, do so discreetly from a distance. 10. Culinary Tour. No visit to Vientiane is complete without a dive into its culinary delights. From spicy larb to sweet sticky rice with mango, the flavors here are vibrant. Join a local cooking class to take the taste of Laos home with you. Now, let's talk about a unique aspect of visiting Vientiane, the opportunity to easily cross into another country. The famous Friendship Bridge, linking Laos to Thailand over the majestic Mekong River. Crossing this bridge is more than just a border transition, it's a journey between cultures. Whether you're continuing your adventure into Thailand or just heading over for a day trip, the process is quite straightforward. You can cross by bus, car, or even on foot. Make sure to have your passport and visa arrangements ready, as you'll need to clear immigration on both sides. The bus service from Vientiane drops you right at the Thai border, where you can catch local transport into Nong Khai, a charming town just on the other side. Crossing the Friendship Bridge is not only a literal bridge between two nations but a metaphorical one too, offering insights into the peaceful coexistence and shared history of Laos and Thailand. It's a small journey with the potential to add a rich layer to your travel experience. Whether you're crossing for a few hours or planning a longer stay in Thailand, this bridge serves as your gateway to more adventures. That's the beauty of being in Vientiane. 2 countries, 1 trip. Make sure to check it out when you're here. While Vientiane offers a fascinating glimpse into Lao culture and history, the beauty of Laos doesn't stop here. Let's take a moment to explore some other incredible places you might want to add to your itinerary. From the mystical mountains to serene river towns, there's so much more to see in Laos. Go to Luang Prabang, a UNESCO World Heritage City that captivates everyone with its spiritual aura and stunning architecture. Wake up early to witness the daily alms-giving ceremony, a truly humbling experience. Don't forget to visit the enchanting Quang Si Falls, where you can swim in turquoise pools. If you're in search of a vibrant party scene, Vang Vieng is your must-visit destination, even as it transforms into a hub for eco-adventures. Whether you're kayaking on the Nam Song River, exploring caves, or just soaking in the breathtaking mountain views, Vang Vieng offers an adrenaline rush like no other. These are just glimpses of what makes Laos so special. Each region offers something unique, whether it's cultural heritage, natural beauty, or the warmth of the people. So, while you're here in Vientiane, consider extending your journey to these remarkable places. Vientiane is a city of peace and vibrancy, a place where every corner holds a new discovery. If you love discovering these unique experiences with us and want to keep exploring incredible destinations around the world, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our travel tips and adventures. Safe travels and see you next time.